Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Do It Yourself Auto Vlog. On this video I will be installing a new set of 3M light in my climate control. The light in the middle one and the one to the driver's side is not working. So what I'll be doing is changing them out to some new sets of LED 3M lights. So just stay tuned and I will show you how to do that. So as you can see, um, what I'll be doing now is taking everything apart. Okay, as you can see, one in the middle and one over to the driver's side is not coming on. So I'm just gonna start by taking out the cup holder. Let me set the camera. Okay, gear shift knob. And then the gear shift housing, if that's the right word. And then what I will be doing is take off the radio panel. Just remember the two screws at the bottom, you got to remove those before you can take off the panel. And one in the side, don't forget that one. Yeah, car is a little messy right now, so just bear with me with that because I'm doing some work on it. So okay, taking off the panel now. Okay, here's it. Okay, I already take this panel off already, but when I realized it wasn't recording, so it is pretty easy. It's like six Phillips screw, sorry, in the back. So you got to remove those from the climate control first, and then you have the connector, you have to remove those as well. There it is. Yeah, so that's what it looked like. So I'm gonna taking it apart. Okay, I'm going to be removing the Phillips. There's 4 Phillips screw you got to remove. This one, this next one, that's another one. Okay, there's some clips around the side that you gotta remove. So you can go ahead and remove those. Clips, just go one at a time, try not to break anything. Okay, there it is. So that what the climate control motherboard look like. Those little white things that you see in it, that's light that been blown. Okay, so this is a 3M light that I'm going to be using. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it off right there where you see I'm pointing. I'm going to cut the wires off. That's the bulb that came out there, the climate control. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be installing it just like this, and then do a little solder. If you don't want, you don't have to do it like that. You can just replace yours, but this is for who want to change the complete bulb to LEDs. Okay. Okay, I'm just cutting the wires off now with the scissors. You can use as cutting pliers. I'm just inserting the 3M light inside the socket to preparing it to be soldered. Okay, now I'm going to start soldering the first one. I mean, you can go ahead and purchase any one of these LED lights. I think you have them in 5M, I think, and 3M. So they come in a variety of colors, so you can choose which one you want. Now there, this is what it looked like when it's finished soldering. Finished product. That's all of them, so that's what it looked like. Okay, back in the car. So people, I want you to, if you like this content, I want you to subscribe, like and share this video. It will really mean a lot to me, so you can go ahead and do that. Okay, now guys, remember to hit that subscribe button. This is what it looked like. It looked good to me. So if you want to use 3M LED light, this is what it would look like. You can choose a variety of colors. Yeah, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching.